Knitted cast on. We start with making a slip knot. You put the slip knot on one of the needles, hold it in your left hand. You take the right needle and you insert it through the loop from left to right, not from right to left, but from left to right. You take the long tail of the yarn, wrap it around the needle, pull it through the loop, keep pulling it more. You go around, give it a twist, and put it back onto the needle. And then adjust. Again, in, yarn over, pull it through the loop, keep pulling it, twist, and put it back on the needle, and take the right needle out and adjust by pulling on the yarn. Just don't pull too tight. Again, in, yarn over, pull it through the loop, keep pulling it, go around with a twist, and put it back onto the needle. Adjust and move the stitches over a little bit. In, make sure you go in the right direction and don't just use the tip. Insert the needle all the way in, yarn over, pull it through the loop, twist, and put it back. Adjust. Do not pull too tight. Make sure there's some space there. In, yarn over, pull it through the loop, twist, and put it back. And just keep moving those stitches over. In, yarn over, pull it through the loop, twist, put it back. In, yarn over, out, twist, put it back. In, yarn over, out, twist, put it back. And then you can just let some stitches slide off onto the cable. That's why the cable is there, is to hold extra stitches. I like to have about maybe 4 stitches or so on the needle, and then the rest I just let them slide. And then when you're done casting on, make sure you count the number of stitches.